Hi, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're grilling on the Flaming Coals Cyprus Spit using this top quality produce we've received from Butcher Crowd, Australia's #1 meat and seafood delivery service. Today we're going to be seasoning with the all-natural Flaming Coals barbecue rubs and seasonings. We've got a couple of loin chops here, which I'm going to season with the Flaming Coals Porkinator Rub. So just like this amazing produce from Butcher Crowd, the Flaming Coals rubs don't have any nasties in them. They're preservative-free, anti-caking agent-free, there's no MSG, there's no nothing in there. Perfect if you want to look after your family. Next up, we're going to be seasoning the loin chops, which have all been grass-fed, using the Flaming Coals traditional lamb rub. How delicious do these Cape Grim Scotch Fillet steaks look? There's only one rub I'd ever use on a steak like this, and this is the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso rub. On our free-range vegetarian-fed chicken, we're going to be using the Flaming Coals Clucking Mad rub. Next up, we have our Australian wild-caught snapper and barramundi, which I'm actually going to season with the Flaming Coals Greek Gyros rub. So not only did this rub go perfectly well on chicken and lamb gyros, it's a bit of an all-rounder, so it goes excellent on seafood as well. And to top it all off, we're cooking some sausages and some beautiful prawns. So our meat's all marinated, it's time to get the charcoal started. Now the great thing with cooking with charcoal is the amazing flavours that go into this Butcher Crowd meat. Now the good thing about when you buy from Butcher Crowd is that you get some top quality meat at less than what you're even going to pay at the supermarket. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to grill for a crowd on the Flaming Coals Cyprus Spit. Now let's dig in.